Hello kids. Color pen name: red color, orange color, yellow color, brown color, light green color, golden color, green color, pink color, sky blue color, and silver color. Today we learn alphabet. Pink color: A. A for apple. B. B for butterfly. C. C for candy. D. D for dolphin. E. E for egg. F. F for flower. G. G for grape. Light green color. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. N. N for nut. Yellow color. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Black color. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.